Hey, it's Sam with WTI. Are you a pen lover? Because so am I, so let's talk. I found these super cool new marker pens. This is by the company Zebra, and they are called the Click Art marker pens. They are developed with a new technology so that they don't need a cap, and the tip doesn't dry out. So if you can see here, it is a marker tip. This comes in a pack of 12 and it has a really nice variety of colors. Let me show you all the different colors. We have here purple, pink, green, light green, blue, yellow, dark green, black, brown, red, blue, light blue, orange, and gray. They are retractable, like I showed you. They don't bleed out, and they also are pretty smudge proof. If you see here, they're in a 0.6 millimeter fine bullet point tip, so it's very precise, clean lines, and the colors are just fabulous. I just love these pens, and if you are in the market for something like this, or if you just love trying new pens, I definitely recommend you try these out. But that's my point of view.